I'm meteorologist Henry Market City. It is Weatherman. It's time for. This is Tuesday already, and a lot going on today. It's going to be a very busy weather pattern for the next couple of days or so, with the cold fronts coming through and everything else that's happening. First of all, this is the remains of Florence that went out to sea, kind of split off. Piece went that way, piece went this way. Roundabout it came. It's coming here, and I'm going to show you that in a second. It's pretty decent. So some of the Outer Banks will get rain and gusty winds from it. We have a lot of moisture coming up through the Ohio Valley into Pennsylvania. There's going to be severe weather out in the Ohio Valley. Cold front's going to come on through, bring a change to cooler weather coming up, and bring severe storms today. From the Midwest through the Ohio Valley. Then tomorrow across the eastern part of the country, we'll get some severe storms. All right, let me switch gears here real quickly. This is that remains of Florence. It's really wrapping itself up today. This is Wilmington, North Carolina. I don't think you're going to get very much. Maybe some showers and thunderstorms coming on through. I think it's going to end up going up toward the Outer Banks and skimming the Outer Banks with showers and thunderstorms and gusty winds, maybe some wind gusts to 35, 40 miles an hour. I will not be surprised is that once it gets in with the close to the radars today, close to Moorhead radar, they look at the circulation and they end up upgrading it to a tropical depression today. So I will not be surprised if that happens. Okay, you can already see it's got a lot of thunderstorms around it. It's very circular, and it's possible that it's already a tropical depression as of this morning. Okay. All right. Let's see here. Let me go to. Let me see. Where do I got this here? I have a radar. I want to show you if I can find it. This is the rain across the Northeast. It's been pretty heavy. Fortunately, it's been about 1 to 2 inches of rainfall coming down. So people, I haven't heard of any flooding yet. And back through the Midwest, we got the thunderstorms coming all through. Some of these thunderstorms happen on the severe side. And let's see here. Let's go down to the southeast real fast. I don't want to go there. I want to go here. This is where I want to go. Just barely see the remains of Florence coming onto the screen over there. All right, severe weather-wise, area out here for a slight rest today. Then tomorrow across the Northeast, the squall line's going to cut across. We put out the Weather Concierge site, maybe some tornado activity today across the eastern Ohio Valley up into Detroit, down to Cincinnati, right in that corner right there. There could be some tornadoes there today because a lot of spin going on. And then some severe weather here, heavier thunderstorms surrounding that area for today. All right, here is this is the rapid refresh. You can see some of these individual storms out here that we're worried about. And then the squall line starts to develop coming in from the Midwest. So just going to be pretty active out there today. Okay, let's move on to the weather maps real quick. All right, and by tonight you can see that area of Florence remains, when I call it, is down here off the coast. Some shower and thunderstorms around the Outer Banks, some gusty winds as well, probably 30, 40 miles an hour. Heavy rains up across New England. And then we got our severe weather going on out here across the Midwest. And chillier air coming in behind it. Some frost and freezes probably coming in. That cold front really consolidates. The Florence area heads on out to sea. And a lot of shower and thunderstorms from Texas all the way up into the Northeast. Cooler weather coming in behind it. Cool. Can't get it right. But anyway, cooler weather coming in behind it. And that's tomorrow. And then we get to Thursday, that front kind of lollygags down across the southeast with scattered showers, thunderstorms. Another cold front starts to come on down from the north. Ooh, snow up there. All right. And then that cold front on Friday is starting to come across the Great Lakes with some showers. Meanwhile, the front down south is kind of dying out. And get to Saturday, it really kind of fizzles down south as the next front kind of fizzles out as well, coming southbound. And then I think that's it. That's Saturday. I thought I had Sunday in here somewhere, but I guess I don't. Anyway, that front will fizzle out, and Sunday that front will continue to fizzle out as it heads on south. So that is the weather for the next couple of days. Active with showers and thunderstorms and our little Florence thing coming up the coast. All right, lots more coming up. I'm meteorologist Henry Marcus City.